Hi friends, welcome you to my channel ADNS HR. Friends, in today's video we are going to learn sequence formula in MS Excel. So firstly we will understand what sequence function do. So sequence function give you the result as a serial number. For example, here you can see I have serial number column and employee code. Okay, so what I want here in serial number column, so it should be type here serial number 1 2 3 till 30. Okay, and again employee code should be like EC001, EC002, EC003, likewise till 30 number. So we will use sequence function to execute this requirement. Sequence. Okay, then I need till 30, so I will type here 30. You can see here till 30 it has been updated. Now we required employee code EC001, like that. So we will type here firstly EC, okay, then and then text, then my sequence formula, then I need till 30 number, then it should be till 3 digit EC001. So I need EC0015. So I will type here 5 and 0. 1 2 3 4 5. You can see here it has been updated. So by using this sequence function we can make easy our task. So that's all for today's video. Please do like and subscribe my channel.